Corporate chaos on hard mode. While eating lunch, yes, that's. That is something. Grinding materials while eating lunch is something. But still, I'm doing it.
You want one? All right, you want to try one?
Yeah. The mafia boss.
All right, do you want to try one?
Oh, sure.
Is that all right? You like it?
Okay. Expert Demolitionist.
Go for it.
Expert Demolitionist has 120,000 health. OMG! This is crucifix for the boss. That's good. Yes! Let's go!
Do you think I should take a shower after I eat this?
I think a shower is a novel idea.
Oh God.
I think I can buy the Demolitionist follower now.
You need to clip your nails too.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Holiday Rumble, I'm gonna be
I
joining
wanted to
that.
do it. I just don't know where the nail clippers are, and I keep forgetting to ask you.
You're in the drawer in the bathroom here.
Okay.
Not an object, but I need to join Holiday Rumble.
Sounds like a lot. The winning item received 276,000. So
Which one were they in, bro?
is we actually agreed because I actually put this as number 86 on my list as well. I just felt like it didn't come out very well.
Animal, maybe?
I'm still not happy with it. You deserve this.
They're not animal.
Anyway, let's keep moving. Number 85.
Eli, what do you want? Look at. Want some cheese and crackers or what?
Oh, it's in
Salami and
people.
crackers, or enchiladas like Elliot. Sandwich.
I can buy the
Do you
expert
have those? Do you have those things?
I can buy the expert Demolitionist follower now. Let's
I
go.
have those little, those like, they're mini, very tiny burritos, like long.
Oh.
Can I have some?
Oh yeah,
All right, let's go. I'm the expert Demolitionist follower now. All right, bye guys. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.